Hi everyone, here we've got Samsung Galaxy Tab S6 Lite, and let me share with you how to turn off running apps on this device. So actually it is very simple, and all you have to do is to open the recents, and you can do it by tapping on this 3 bars icon. And as you can see here, we've got the full list of previously opened apps. If you'd like to turn off only one of it, then just find it and swipe it up. Just like that. It's the easiest way to close an app. But if you'd like to close all of them with only one click, then tap on Close All. As you can see, we just got back to our home page, so let's enter the recents in order to check. And here we've got no recently used apps, so it means that we successfully closed all of them. So actually that's all. This is how to close background apps in your Samsung Galaxy Tab S6 Lite. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.